Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to describe Canada Child Benefits for newcomers. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, first of all, what is this Canada Child Benefit? This is a tax-free monthly payment from the government of Canada, and it is designed to help you with the cost of raising children under the age of 18. As a newcomer, you don't need to wait until you have lived here for years to apply. In many cases, you can apply the moment you arrive. Okay. So let's go through the eligibility. Who is actually eligible? To receive the Canada Child benefits, you must meet all three of these basic conditions. Living with the child, the child must be under 18 and live with you. Primary caregiver, you must be the person primarily responsible for their care. Okay. Residency, you must be a resident of Canada for tax purposes. Okay. Now coming to immigration status, you or your spouse partner must fall into one of these categories. PR, you can apply as soon as you arrive. So at the time of your landing itself, after it, you can do. Protected person refugee, you can apply once you receive a positive decision on your claim. And for temporary resident, work permit, study permit, you must have lived in Canada for the previous 18 months and have a valid work permit for the 19 months. So you have lived for 18 months and must have for 19 months, then you can apply. Canadian citizen, they can apply immediately. How much you will get? The amount is means tested, meaning it depends on your adjusted family net income. Since you are new, CRA will use the income you earned in the previous country to calculate your first payment. So maximum annual amount from July 2025 to June 2026, like for under age of 6 is like 7997. So max monthly will be like 666.41, 6 to 7, 6748, and monthly will be 562.33. Okay. So if your family income is below 37,487 per annum, you generally receive the maximum amount. As your income goes up, the benefit amount gradually decreases. You can go to CRA site and there's a detailed calculator. And how to apply? As a newcomer, you cannot usually apply through my account immediately if you haven't filed a CRA, tax return yet. You will need to use the paper or digital form route. You can file through form RC66, form RC66SCH. This is crucial for newcomer. You need to provide proof of birth, okay, for your child, proof of status, like your status, who you are, okay. Now, some tips for newcomers: that file your taxes even if you have zero income in Canada for a year, because that means in this way your profile is going to be created with CRA. Automatic, every July the government adjusts the payment amount based on inflation, so it's very important. It usually takes 8 to 11 weeks to process your first application, so you're not going to get instant payment on your first application. When you apply for a CCB, CRA automatically checks if you qualify for provincial child benefit tool, for example, Ontario Child Benefit or BC Family Benefit, which are added to your monthly payment. So now I hope this is clear that how to do and who qualifies and all that thing. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.